dear students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. Are you ready for grammar class? Okay, very good. All of you take your grammar textbook. Okay, last class we discussed our third chapter. What is the name of our third chapter? Yes, very good. Article. What are the articles? Yes. There are three types of articles. First one, a, and there are three articles. Okay, and then where we use a, article a. We use a before words begin with a consonant sound. Then next, and we use before the word before words that begin with a vowel sound. Understand? Okay. And then next, article the. Where we use the. The article is used to refer to a particular noun, or when we are talking about something, and we use the. In last class we discussed some points where we use the. Some points where we use the. What is the first point? Just all of you close your book and say, as a first point. Yes, very good. When we talk about a person, a particular thing or person, that we use the. As the next point. Okay, with noun that represents a whole class. Then next point, with names of mountains, deserts, rivers, oceans, seas, bays, where we use the. Then next, with certain books and newspaper, the things that are only of their kind, that in that case that we use the. Okay. And then next, with the traits with the superlative degree of adjective. I hope all of you do your exercise very well. Okay. Today we discuss our next exercise, part B. Underline the articles in this letter here. Page number 29. Underline the articles in this letter. If they are incorrect, strike them out and write the correct articles above them. Yeah. Example are given here. Dear Ishan is a letter. We have already discussed here. The exercise is a letter. Dear Ishan, my mother recently got transferred to a collector's office in Meghalaya. Is a incorrect article. Is not a correct article. Just that article a cut and then write the collector's office in Meghalaya. And then we have moved to Shillong, a capital of Meghalaya. Is it correct? A capital? A capital? Yes. That is not a correct article. Just cut that a. Cut that a. Then you write the capital of Meghalaya. Shillong was the capital of Assam till 1972, where a state of Meghalaya was created. When a state, is it correct? Is it correct? Is not correct, as the correct article is the. Okay, understand? Okay, then surprisingly, there is no railway station in a city. Okay, then next, surprisingly, there is no railway station in a city. Yeah, article A, that is correct article. Is not correct, that is incorrect one. Just write a, cut, then you write the city. Okay, then Shillong is known as the Scotland of East due to the surrounding rolling hills. Here, strike them. Question, all of you listen. If you incorrect, strike them out and write the correct articles above them. Here, correct ആയത് നിങ്ങൾ just underline. Okay, here, Scotland of the East due to the surrounding rolling hills. The is the correct article. Just please underline that article. Then there are number of places of a tourist interest in the city. There are the number is the correct one. That's not wrong. There are a the cut and then you write a number of places in the tourist interest in the city. Then Swami Vivekananda delivered his last public lecture here and his statue has been entered at the Unington Memorial. Here a cut and write the at a article a cut, then you write the. Then all of you find out the correct articles. If your correct article, just please underline that article. Other incorrect article, just all of you write the correct articles. Okay, understand? Yeah. Letter is do last sentence. Do visit us during your next vacation. I hope to hear from you soon. Yours affectionately, Surya. And then exercise C. Give below in a conversation between Gauri and Yash. There is no one article missing in the each dialogue. There is a missing the one article in each dialogue. Put a slash where the article is missing and write the article in the space provided. Put a slash where the article is missing and write the article in the space provided. First one, Gauri. Conversation of Gauri. Good evening. I seem to have misplaced slash. That is a missing article. Dictionary. I heard my borrow yours. Please. What is the missing article? The dictionary I had. May I borrow yours? Please. Then next conversation. Yash. Certainly. Come inside while I look for dictionary. Yeah. Missing article here. Yes. I look for. Just all of you put a slash. Then next word dictionary. What is the correct article here? Yes. For the dictionary. Understand? The next, Gauri's conversation. All of you find out the other article. Okay. All of you put the article missing in each dialogue. Just put all of you slash. Then write the correct article here in the blank space. Okay. Here. Next we are going to discuss zero article or no article. Zero article or no article. Zero article or zero article or no article. We do not use an article. Articles when ഉപയോഗിക്കാതെ. Do not use the article in such words or such sentence. In that type of sentence we discussed here. Okay. Here, first point. With the names of days, months, festival and season. With the names of days, ദിവസം അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മാസം, festivals അല്ലെങ്കിൽ season എന്താണ് അതിൻ്റെയൊക്കെ അവിടെ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ഉപയോഗിക്കില്ല? ആർട്ടിക്കിൾസ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യാറില്ല. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? ഹിയർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ, on Saturday we visited the bird sanctuary to Capti Island. Then next example, that is here day on Saturday. Here next example, we will visit the botanic gardens in the month of February. It's a month here month. In that case we do not use the article. Okay. Here next, on the day before Thanksgiving we will visit a National Wildlife Center. Trees shed their leaves in autumn. Here Thanksgiving is a festival. Then season. Trees shed their leaves in autumn. Is a season. In that case we did not use the article. Is the first point. Okay. What is the first point? Yes, with the names of days, months, festivals and season that we do not use the articles. Okay. Here, next point. Before meals. Before meals. അതിന് മുൻപിൽ നമ്മൾ ആർട്ടിക്കിൾസ് ഉപയോഗിക്കാറില്ല. Here, breakfast, lunch, dinner. എന്താണ് നമ്മൾ എ ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റ് ആൻഡ് ലഞ്ച് അങ്ങനെ എന്തെങ്കിലും പറയാറുണ്ടോ? Here, breakfast, lunch and dinner are included in the holiday package. Before meals we do not use the articles. Okay. Then next point, before language or subjects. Before language or subjects we do not use an article. Here example, Manik is studying French along with science. Manik is studying French along with science. Next example, English and mathematics in school is a subject. English and mathematics in school is a subject. In that case we do not use an article. All of you understand? Okay, very good. Then look at the exercise number D. Tick the correct options to complete this sentence. Tick the correct options to complete this sentence. First one, Dash Learning Tower of Pisa was completed in the 14th century. What is the correct article? Option A, then B, the, C, and D, no article. The Learning Tower of Pisa. The Learning Tower of Pisa was completed in the 14th century. Then second one, it was built in 3 stages over dash period of 199 years. Here, a period of. Understand? Third one, then all of you find out choose the correct options to this and complete this sentence. Okay. Then exercise number E. Mayanak has prepared a timetable for himself to follow during the summer holidays. Mayanak has prepared എന്താണ് ടൈംടേബിൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കുകയാണ് for himself to follow during the summer holidays. സമ്മർ ഹോളിഡേയ്സ് എങ്ങനെ ചിലവഴിക്കണമെന്ന് എന്നൊരു എന്താണ് ടൈംടേബിൾ തയ്യാറാക്കുകയാണ്. Rewrite it by expanding each of tasks into complete sentence. Rewrite it by expanding each of tasks into complete sentence. Here, first one, 6 a.m. wake up, tidy bed. Here, prepare a timetable for himself to follow during the summer holidays. Rewrite it by expanding. This is expand sentence create. Each of task into complete sentence. First one, 6 a.m. wake up and tidy bed. First one, exercise number E. Mayanak wakes up at 6 a.m. and tidies his bed. Okay, and then second one, 6:50 a.m. do yoga half hour. Second one, at 6:50 a.m. comma, Ayanam does yoga. For half hour. For half hour. All of you understand how to write? Okay, then all of you expand, rewrite it by expanding each of the tasks. Okay, that's also homework. Here, in my language, there are indefinite and definite article in your language. Try saying these two sentences in your language. I bought a new pen for myself. The pen was quite heavy. Then second one, which words do you see for the article a and the? Now say these two sentences in your language. I saw a very tall man at the bus stop. I have seen the man somewhere before. Did you use the same words for the articles as before? Discuss in class. Okay, then look at the language across curriculum. Fill in the blanks with the article a and the. Here is the general knowledge. India, first one, India has dash rich culture heritage. Indians celebrate many festivals. India has a rich culture heritage. India celebrate many festivals. Dash chief festival of Tamilians is Pongal. The chief festival of Tamilians is Pongal. All of you fill the correct articles. Okay. All of you understand? Okay. Yeah. Then worksheet. Okay. Here exercise number E. Match the clues to the correct abstract nouns. Here first one, act of showing courage. What's the answer here? Bravery. Then second one, we drink water to quench this. What's the answer? Yes, thirst. Then exercise number F, read this passage. There are some errors in use of apostrophe. Nouns and articles. Circle the incorrect word in each line and write the correct one. All of you, errors in the use of apostrophe, nouns and articles, all of you incorrect word each line, all of you correct it. Okay, all of you do this works very neatly. I hope all of you understand this first unit, sentence, nouns and article. In third chapter we discussed articles a and the. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Okay, let's wind up our today's class. Thank you.